catching flights, not feelings. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to give you this little Fashion Nova haul. I picked up a few items, and let's just start with this one. So I'm wearing this, I think it's called All Day Basic Jumpsuit. And it's just like a plain jumpsuit at the bottom. It does have like this lace right at the bottom. And it's a tube top, stretchy, fitted tube top. But I have on a bra with it, so count these straps out. But yeah, this is the first item. Like I said, it's called All Day Basic Jumpsuit. I don't remember how much it was, but I will put the links to all the items in the description down below. I really like it. In the comments, they said that this item run big. I would have got a large, but I did get a medium. The medium fits really well too. The large probably would have fit, I don't know, but I did pay attention to the comments, and they said it runs big into size down. So this is a size medium that I'm wearing. And look, y'all, when I bought it, it had this little rip right here, so I'm gonna have to sew it back. It was already there when I purchased it, when it came in the mail. So I'm gonna sew it back instead of sending it back. I'll just put a little stitch there. I really like it. Fits good. And I would probably pair it with this crop jacket that I got also from Fashion Nova. Just because I wear a bra and my bra straps are showing. So I would probably pair it with this jacket. And like I said, I'll leave the links to everything down below. This jacket is a size medium. Or maybe I either wear this jacket with it, or maybe get like a shorter jacket to go with it. And I don't know how much this jacket was either. Look at these shoes. They are so cute. They're strappy, square at the front. Let me see. So the name of these shoes is What I Like Heeled. Let's see if I can get it to show. I can't. Light too bright. But anyways, they call What I Like Heeled. And these are cute. Let me show you. Can y'all see these shoes? Oh my god. They are perfect for me. The perfect size heel. They're strappy, cute. They have like the gold chains on the front. Strap up the legs. I mean, these heels are so cute. Very comfortable, easy to walk in. Okay, this next item I have is another black jumpsuit. Forgetting to look at the name of it. What it say? Okay. So this jumpsuit is called the Black Vibe. And again, in the comments, they said this item run big, so I sized down and got a medium. I would have regularly My regular size is a large, so I sized down and got a medium. And I'm glad I did because it do fit big. And if you're tall, this item is long and it's tall girl friendly. I'm only 5'3", and I have a lot of room at my ankles. But yeah, here is the outfit. It's just a black jumpsuit. It have the thumb holes that say vibe. Um, but yeah, it fit good. Like I said, it's room like in the arms and the legs, really. A lot of room. So if you tall, you can get this item. It's gonna go all the way to the floor. It's really cute. Plain, simple, and cute. That's what I like. And it got this real thin zipper. You can maneuver it however you want it. Zip it all the way up, halfway. However you want to wear this item. But yeah, I did size down. This is a size medium. And it fits good. I still have a lot of room in it. Okay, y'all, this next item I got is this t-shirt here. It says catch flights, not feelings. And I just threw on some black leggings just to model this shirt. I would probably wear this shirt when I'm going on the flight, of course. Just like a little airplane vibe, outfit wear, whatever. But yeah, it is it's the basic shirt that says catch flights, not feelings. Because that's what we're doing all summer 2021. And I got this shirt in a small. It run big. It actually call it, on the website, it calls this t-shirt a tunic. So usually when it's a tunic, I think it runs a little bigger. So I didn't want it to have that really big oversized look. So I did get this shirt in a small. And as you can see, I still have plenty of room in it. Yeah, because we catching flights, not feelings. Okay, y'all, so this next item I have is a bathing suit. This item is called Scuba Vacation Long Sleeve. Scuba Vacation Long Sleeve one piece swimsuit. And as you can see, it have this zipper here. You can zip it up as low or as high as you want, and it's a long sleeve. It's very cute on the side. It has these three little slits that show a little skin. It's covering up almost everything, but it's still really cute. Like I said, on the side it have these little cutouts here. And then if you like me, my arms are big. I like to cover up my arms. So this is going to give you the perfect cover up, yet showing enough. And it's cut really, really, really thin in the back. As you can see, it's not full at the back. It's cut. I wouldn't call it a thong, but it may be somewhat like a thong. But yeah, this swimsuit is cute. Ready to go be at somebody poolside. And since it's made like that, I got a few cover-ups I'm finna show you. Okay, y'all, so here's the first cover-up I got. I think it's called, it's a mall mix and match. It's white. I don't know if I got this tied up right, but you get the vibe. You just kind of tie it in. That way you can just kind of cover up some of those curves. You know what I'm saying? It's cute. This one, I also got it the same cover up in this color, lime green or whatever. about wearing this one like with an all black swimsuit, and this will be the pop of color. I'll wear an all black swimsuit. If I find another cute one, I will get that. Put on this. This is made exactly like this white one. And then I got these little lime green slides. So yeah, these lime green slides, they're like jellies. I think that would be really cute. Maybe an all black swimsuit to look real slim. Put this pop of color swimsuit cover up on and throw these little jellies on and be cute. Okay, so this next swimsuit I have, it's way. The other swimsuit is in my lead. This one is out, but I'm gonna show it to you. It's called Take a Peek 2-piece bikini set. And this is how the top is made. It's all white. And then I paired it with these high waist swimsuit Coverups. Let's see. It's called Falling Out Coverup pins. They are in the size large. They are very long. Very long. I wish I probably could have got these in a medium or even a small. They're really stretchy. Very long. But yeah, this swimsuit, like I said, it's a 2-piece. Like I always say, maybe after my surgery, I don't know. But yeah, this is called Take a Peek 2-piece bikini set. The bottom is thin on the sides, and the top have this little cutout area here. It's cute, but not something I feel comfortable wearing. But yeah, if you tall, get these couple of pants. Like I said, they're dragging the floor on 5'3". And yeah, that's all I have for my haul. Oh, no. I did get these little basic black slides. That's gonna be also for the summer. I could put it on with a swimsuit. Just some regular basic slides, thong sandals. But yeah, that's all I have for my haul today. I hope you all enjoyed. I do have some more hauls coming up. I ended up going out to Didi's and Ross and picked up a couple of items yesterday. So I'm going to be doing a haul just to show you what I got, what I found there. And y'all, please continue to watch, subscribe if you haven't. Like I said, I do have a surgery coming up soon, and I'm going to vlog that. I'm going to have another update preparing for surgery video coming up soon too. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and there'll be more to come.